Mmm. Is that good lunch? Crackers and soup and your juice. So yummy in your tummy. Isn't that a beautiful cup? Mima got you that cup. Taste the soup, baby. It's good soup. Mmm, see? I love you. Yummy. Princess soup.
No, that's hot.
It's hot. Got blow on it.
In only 30 seconds. So if you're a loser, at least you got that to look forward to.